Hello there, good afternoon. It was quite a foggy start across parts of southern and central UK, though it is going to brighten up as we head into this afternoon, particularly across parts of Wales, northern parts of England too. We should see plenty of sunshine here, but across the far south and southeast, likely to see quite a grey day on offer. And even across parts of Northern Ireland, parts of Scotland, a fair amount of cloud here, though we should see some breaks at times, particularly to the east of high ground, where we'll see some brighter spells. And on the whole, it is going to be largely dry. Could see some drizzle at times, particularly across the far northwest of Scotland as we head into this afternoon. And on the whole, it is a fairly mild day on offer, perhaps a bit chillier at times across central parts of the UK. Also parts of Lincolnshire could see a slightly cooler day if you compare it to yesterday. As we head into this evening, much of that cloud sticking around across parts of the south and southeast, and we start to see a bit of a change to more of a southerly wind flow. So that means pushing up more of this cloud across parts of Wales, northern parts of England. So once again, another grey day on offer here, and largely dry, though once again continuing to see that rain or drizzle across northwestern parts of Scotland, also western parts of Northern Ireland. And a chance we could see some foggy conditions once again by the time we reach the morning, and similar to this morning, it could be rather slow to clear. Remaining largely mild across the far northwest of Scotland, though across much of England and Wales, a chilly day on offer, particularly if we do see any breaks in the cloud. Heading into tomorrow, once again, a rather cloudy end to the week. Clouds sticking around for much of the country and still that rain and drizzle continuing across parts of Northern Ireland and parts of Scotland too. Could even see some drizzly spots across hills elsewhere. We could see some breaks in the skies, so it's likely much of the sunshine will be around this afternoon and not seeing much tomorrow. But we could see some just to the northeast of any high ground as we head into tomorrow. Still remaining very mild across northern parts of the country, so Scotland and Northern Ireland, for example. Temperatures widely above average for the time of year, but a return to something a bit more normal for this time in January across southern parts and feeling a bit cooler under the cloudier skies. Heading into the evening, once again, not much change. Still plenty of cloud around. Also could see some foggy spells and still that rain and drizzle continuing in the far north and northwest of Scotland. But elsewhere, it should remain largely dry as we head into the evening. And then as we head into the weekend, not much change once again across central and southern parts. Still seeing some fairly cloudy conditions here. Likely to see more rain and drizzle start to creep in from the west as we start to see some more frontal systems move in here as we do eventually start to see high pressure move away. But for more details on the weekend weather, you can catch Aidan later. Otherwise, that's it from me.